Hi, I'm Mike. Welcome to Square V. We're going to do a NovaStar training. Why don't you come in, I'll show you around. Right in here, we're going to be hosting everybody for the first half of our training. We got our LED wall right there, and we'll be doing some software training. Then we'll move on to the back. After lunch, provided by NovaStar, of course. Go ahead. And then come on into the warehouse here, where we're going to be hosting the second half of our training. We'll try out some new products and see the new Nova Pro UHD. So we can't wait to see you. You're still filming? That's good. Oh, here, wait, cut it for a second. Are you gonna be able to edit that?